all the love that you guys showed on my what's in my makeup bag video. A lot of you requested on how I do my makeup on an everyday basis. It takes me about 15 minutes to get the look, and I think it'll work pretty well for a beginner as well. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, so I've already prepped up my skin with a moisturizer. I'm going to apply a lip balm on my lips so it stays hydrated while I do my makeup. This one's the Blissent Lip Butter in Raspberry. Next up, I'm going to prime my face with the ColourBar Perfect Match Primer. I'll take a little bit on my fingers and then just rub it like so it gets warm. And now I'm just going to apply it gently all over my face. This will help my base stick on my face for a very long time. Like I told you guys, I'm not a very big foundation fan. I am more of a BB cream person, so I'm going to use the Pond's Beauty Benefit Cream as my base. So I'll take 2 pumps of it at the back of my hand. So now I'll first apply the BB cream in small dots all over my face. I'm also going to cover my neck. And now I'm going to first blend it well with my fingers. Now I'm going to use the PAC sponge in dabbing motion all over my face. Now that I've finally even toned my skin with the BB cream, it's time for me to hide all my dark circles and acne marks here and there. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to apply this under my eyes in an inverted triangular shape. I'm also going to use some of it on my acne marks and on the bridge of my nose. Now I'll use the same beauty blender to blend it all. You know guys, the best thing about this concealer is that it's extremely blendable and it suits my skin tone perfectly. So like you can see, it not only hides my dark circles but also instantly brightens up my face. Now it's time to pack my base with a compact powder. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Shell. I'm using this big fluffy brush to powder my face. Now that I've set my base, it's time to do my brows, and I'm using the Rimmel London Brow This Way palette. So like you can see, it's in the gel form and also in a powder form. Even though I don't make use of the gel, I just use the powder one, but suit yourself, use whatever you like to. I'm using an angular brush to tame my brows and also to define them. I'm going to use this spoolie to tame the hair of my brows. Now let's move on to my eyes. Now I don't really do much to my eyes on an everyday basis, just a little bit of contouring on my crease line with a subtle brown eyeshadow and I'm good to go. So I'm going to use this brown shade from this palette. All you have to do is apply it on the crease of your eyelids and blend it as much as you can. Take your time, be patient, give at least like 30 seconds to it because you don't want harsh lines showing on your eyes. It's really easy, it's actually nothing. I'm done with contouring my eyes. Next up, I'm going to use a little bit of white eyeshadow on my brow bone so my brow looks more pushed up and defined. I'm actually using the same brush because, you know, in the morning I don't really have so much time changing my brushes for each and every step. It's just easier and it works well, so yeah. So an important tip to all you guys out there is to apply your eyeshadow in dabbing motion but not painting motion. Now I'm going to move on to my cheeks and apply some blush and contour. So I'm not into heavy contouring. I do really subtle contouring because I feel that works the best on a daily basis. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to use this brown shade from my Maybelline We Face palette. Now the best way to find your cheekbones is by making a fish face. Now just draw a sharp line along your cheekbone and blend it well with the same brush. Now that I'm done defining my cheekbones, I'm going to move on to my favorite part of my routine. That's the blush. I love pink cheeks, especially in winters. So I'm going to use these two pink colors from my We Face Maybelline palette. Now whenever you apply blush, always try and smile as much as you can so you can apply it on the right parts, that is the apples of your cheek. Now that I'm done with adding blush to my cheeks, I'm going to move on to applying my favorite lip shade. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Flaming Fuchsia. It's a beautiful pink. Now finally, I'm going to voluminize my eyelashes using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Like I told you guys, I am not a very big kajal fan, so I use lots and lots of mascara that helps me look wide awake, especially on my lower lash line. And that's it. This is my everyday makeup look. I know it might look a little lengthy, but believe me, once you start doing it every day, it's going to get simpler. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below. If there are any other looks that you'd like me to create, then let me know that as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe to PopXO TV and download the PopXO app if you want all your beauty and makeup related questions answered. Bye.